Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to Lato's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken biryani. And to make it more flavorful, I'm going to use Lato milk and Lato butter. Let's get started. For the ingredients, we need about a kilo of boneless chicken. We'll use half lemon, 2 onions, 2 large onions sliced, salt to taste. For the flavor, you're getting it from the curry powder, 4 cloves of garlic, and a small piece of ginger. I'll also add about 50 grams of salted butter and the milk. The milk will use about 1 cup, which is about 250 ml. And what will happen with the milk is that I'm going to add the lemon juice to the milk to make it thick and more flavorful. When you add lemon to the milk, that's actually basically the buttermilk. So I'm using about 1 tablespoon. And then you stir. When you add the lemon juice to the milk, that makes it fermented, like fermented. So you're adding it to the chicken. You can do this in advance, you can do this like 2 hours earlier, but right now we're going to do it immediately. So the longer it takes, the more flavor it will also enhance as it enters into the chicken. So we'll start with the cooking process and we'll use salted butter, the Lato salted butter. Then we'll add the onion, 2 onions, to start frying. And like I said, the butter will actually enhance the flavor. So when you're frying with butter, the flavor is deep and rich. And when you actually cook, when you finish the dish, that's when you'll actually experience the whole combination of flavors. I like adding my ginger while you're cooking the onions because it makes it cook evenly. And the other tip that you need to note is that you don't add the garlic when you're starting with the onion. You add the garlic a little bit later because garlic cooks faster. So you need to give the onion time first and then add the garlic. So at this stage, I'll add the garlic. If you're using the chopped or minced garlic, you add it a little bit later because it tends to brown also faster. This is nicely browned. Now I'll add the curry powder. That's 2 tablespoons. For the curry powder, let it cook for about a minute to 2 minutes. And then add the chicken. So at this point, make sure the heat is on high and then stir like that so that everything, all the onions are fully mixed into the chicken. So you bring it to a boil by covering the pot. And then when it starts boiling, you will actually reduce the heat so that now it starts simmering to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. So it's been about 15 minutes. The next step is how do you bring it together? Now I have some already cooked rice. Now the turmeric I'll add as the color to the rice. So you want to have some more yellow color. So to bring it together, you start with your rice. So the trick is to evenly layer your meat and spread it. Now to that, I'll add chopped coriander and raisins. If you don't have the raisins, remember, once again, it's optional. So I'll add another layer of rice. And then to this, I'll add the other layer of chicken. Together with the juice or gravy. And once again, chopped coriander and raisins. Then we'll finally top it up with the final layer of rice. And then I'll pour the water just like that. So now I'll cover the pot and let it steam. It will take about 4 to 5 minutes. Now it's ready. So when you're serving, you just need to dig in and lift the whole dish. Ready for serving to the plate. This dish goes very well with kachumbari. So just serve on the side, and this will act as our vegetable for the dish. And there you have it, your nice delicious chicken biryani dish served with kachumbari. I hope you've learned something today. Remember, you used latto milk and latto butter for the extra flavor. And until next time, goodbye.